Welcome to Invest and Play. Today in the garage we have our brand new 2020 Ford F250 truck. So if you watched our first video, you saw the tour of our 2019 truck. This is the replacement. It's essentially the same truck but shorter. Instead of a four-door crew cab, it is a super cab, extended cab truck short bed. So it shortened the wheelbase from 160 inches to 148 inches, and it shortened the overall length to under 20 feet total. Let's go ahead and do a full walkthrough tour of this thing. All right, so under the hood is the 6.2 liter V8 engine with the old 6-speed transmission, which is based on the ZF 6-speed transmission, not the new 10-speed that is coming behind the 7.3 liter Godzilla motor. This is the most proven drivetrain. It's the exact same motor that we had in the 2019 truck, and we thought it was great, so we went ahead and kept with it. The other options for it is the axle gear ratio on this is a 430 gear ratio instead of the 373 gear ratio. It also has the rear factory electronic locking differential. The other differences for the 2020 is a slight change in the grille. It also has a massive chin spoiler, which is for aerodynamics and will be removed very shortly. It has the XL package, which is their basic trim level. So it's got the steel wheels. It's four-wheel drive. It's got the Dana 60 axle with the manual locking hubs in the front. On the underside of it, this one has the additional skid plates. It has a skid plate for the gas tank as well as for the transfer case on it. And the bed is just a short bed. Has the locking tailgate, remote locking, plus the backup camera. It has the optional bed mat.
And the new wheels inside?
Yep, new wheels, yep. On the inside, because this is a extended cab, it has the swing out suicide style rear door, and actually opens all the way. So you get a huge access into the back area. Our plan is to remove the back seat and put the mountain bikes back there with that rack that we built in an earlier video. On the inside of the truck, it is exactly the same as the 2019 truck we had that we did the earlier tour on. It has the same seat style. It's a vinyl seat. It has the center section that folds up and down. Some of the things that are a little different on this, which I think might be partially a 2020 thing, but I'm not sure, is it has the power inverter, so it has the outlet up front. Our other one had two of these 12-volt connection spots. It also comes with the updated screen, so I'm not exactly sure if this was a 2020 only thing. I don't remember what option we selected that would give us to us, but it does have a nicer screen, which primarily is nicer just for the backup camera, which is nice. Otherwise,
and it eliminates a billion buttons.
Yes, it had a big touchpad of buttons on here for the smaller screen, so it kind of makes it look a little bit more classy. It has the same auxiliary switches up top here that the other one had, which was an option. It also has the vinyl flooring, so no carpet in here at all.
Oh.
It also has the brake controller that's built in and the upgraded alternator. So it's essentially a base level work truck with some additional options that we wanted, mostly to do with capability and functionality and less to do with frills. It is still an XL model, so it is very work truckish, and that's the way we like it.
And how long is it really going to stay stock?
So, yes. Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we modify a brand new truck. It has 6 miles on it today when we picked it up. Tomorrow, the project begins, and we will be showing you the build out of the truck. Stay tuned.
So Sorry, I didn't know you hit the record button for me.
Is it on?
You own.
You sure?
Yeah,
It's
you're
red?
on. You're totally red. You're on. Yep, see record.
Oh.